Welcome to our 2025 guide on troubleshooting common laptop performance problems. Today, we will explore various issues that might slow you down and how to fix them effectively. Let's start with slow startup times. If your laptop takes forever to boot, it's essential to identify the culprits behind those lengthy waits. Next, check for excessive background processes. Many applications run in the background, consuming your resources. Let's find and disable the unnecessary ones. Malware and viruses can drag down performance significantly. Regular antivirus scans are vital for keeping your laptop running smoothly. Outdated drivers and software can hinder performance. Make sure to regularly check for updates to keep everything running efficiently. Freeing up disk space is essential for optimal performance. Let's go over some quick tips to clean your hard drives. Monitoring RAM usage can help you gauge if an upgrade is necessary. Let's dive into how to assess your memory needs. If performance is still lacking, it may be time to inspect hardware. Identifying potential malfunctions can save you a lot of headaches. Lastly, let's review power settings. Proper management can enhance your laptop's performance while preserving battery life. In conclusion, maintaining your laptop's performance is key. Follow these tips regularly for a smooth computing experience.